Hi, Alice here. Do you ever feel like you just need to party? Well, today we are making must-have flower leis, and they are so easy that even a child can make them.
Before we begin, you will need tape, string, tissue paper, scissors, and last but not least, toothpicks. Okay, now take your tape and attach the string and toothpicks like so. Make sure to wrap the tape tight. This will serve as a way to add the flowers to the string. Great. After we are done with that, choose some tissue paper and cut nice big strips. Next, take some yellow tissue paper or another flower middle color and cut smaller strips. Perfect. Now this is the hard part. Put a yellow strip on top of your other color like this. Then fold them. Finally, get your toothpick and string that you set aside and poke it through. Make sure to poke the yellow too. And then just slide it near to the end of the string and open it so you can see the yellow like a book. Then just scrunch it up and repeat. Now, I like to add a little tape when I'm done so they don't slide around, but you don't have to.
That was fun. You know what the cool thing about these flower leis are? You don't even have to use them as legs. They can be headbands, you can put them on your wall, they can be bracelets. You can even dress your stuffies up in them. And plus, when one breaks, you can just turn it into confetti. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.